Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand pointers and arrays in C. In our previous classes, we have clearly understood how an integer variable, the address of an integer variable can be assigned to a pointer and how the function arguments, the pointers can be passed as the function arguments, and we have seen the benefits of passing the pointers as the function arguments. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here, because without understanding those concepts, you may not be able to understand what's happening in this video. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now, coming to this class, we'll try to understand how the array, the address of an array is assigned to a pointer. C provides that feature. The addresses of an arrays can also be assigned to a pointer. That feature is available in C programming. Let's try to understand step by step with a simple program. Step by step, these steps we will try to execute, and we'll try to understand how the pointers can be assigned to how the arrays, the addresses of the array can be assigned to a pointer. Okay, let's try to understand that. So here, the first line of code, it is an array of 5 elements, and it is of type integer. All the elements are of type integer. So what happens is, we'll try to visualize the things with our diagrams, simple diagrams. So with this line of code, an array of 5 elements has been created, and this array name is A, and this array is capable of storing integers. Did we assign any values into these arrays? No, we haven't assigned so far. So next line of code is int star p. So what happened is, we have created a pointer p. So did we assign anything to it? No, we haven't assigned anything to it. Next one is p is equal to ampersand a of 0. Ampersand a of 0. A of 0, for example, assume that each integer is occupying 2 bytes of space, and let's assume that this is started with 100. The starting address of this is 200, and the next location address is 102, because it is going to take 2 bytes. 104, 106 and 108. Okay, so this is how the addresses of the array locations are. Okay, the elements of the array and these addresses. Okay, so now ampersand a of 0, address of a of 0th location. A of 0th location means this location. What is the address? 100. So this 100 will get allocated to p. Now p is pointing to some location. So what that location is? It is this location. Because the integer, the array is of integer type and the pointer is also of integer type, this assignment is legal. The array elements or the addresses of the arrays can be assigned to the pointers. That feature is available in C. Okay. Now star p is equal to 5. What happens? Star p means the value stored in this location. We are trying to assign a value to this location where the p is pointing to. It is 5. By using the pointers which is assigned to the array, by using those pointers we can access the elements of the array. Okay, so this is just a sample. This is just a basic understanding of array and pointers. How to access the remaining, so these elements of the array, how to access these remaining elements of the array, that we will try to understand in our later coming videos. Before understanding how to access the remaining elements of an array, we need to understand pointer arithmetic, or pointer arithmetic needs to be understood. So that pointer arithmetic concept we will try to understand in our next video. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.